Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are going to be making beef coconut curry in the slow cooker. This meal is so easy to put together. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to prepare our chuck roast by cutting it into small bite pieces. After cutting up the chuck roast, we are going to season our meat with some adobo, onion powder, garlic, black pepper, and some salt. And then go in and just make sure that the beef is well coated with the seasoning. Just like so. Now take your cornstarch and we are going to coat the beef in that. Over medium-high heat, we are going to add some oil to a skillet. We are going to sear our meat. So we're just going to place them right in here. You might want to do this in 2 batches if your skillet is not wide enough. We're going to continue searing until they all have a nice brown color to them. Okay, go ahead and flip them over. So after 5 minutes, they are nice and brown. I am going to remove them and set them aside and cook the next batch. While our beef is searing, we are going to chop up 1 bell pepper and 1 small onion. Okay guys, so after chopping up our veggies, I have my crock pot set on high, and I am going to place my beef right in here. After getting our beef to the crock pot, over medium heat, we are going to saute our red bell pepper with some onions. Okay, so after our veggies has softened, we are going to add our garlic. 1 Maggie cube, some ginger, and our curry paste. And we're going to cook this for about 1 minute. And this is still over medium heat. So after 2 minutes, we are going to add our crushed tomatoes. Tomato paste. So the reason I'm cooking everything in the skillet is because I want all the flavors to come together before placing it in the crock pot, so we have a really good curry. Okay, so now we are going to give this a stir. Now go in with your coconut milk. So I am going to allow this to come to a simmer before transferring it to the crock pot. So guys, I had went and turned off the heat after it had come to a simmer. So now we are going to add this in the crock pot. Okay guys, go ahead and pour that right in here. So go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, this looks great. Now go ahead and put the lid on. And I'll see you guys in 4 hours. So this is how it's looking after 3.5 hours. This is pretty much done. It looks so good and my house smells amazing. Ooh, take a look at my beef coconut curry. Doesn't it look amazing? I went and plated it with some white rice, guys, and my mouth is watery. How about that taste test? It is very good. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I'll catch you guys later.